We got a package. Some dust here. Not just any package. This is from Bumblechutes. They have reached out to me and they wanted to send me some of their product. And of course I said yes. I've heard really good things about Bumblechutes from a few other content creators. So I am eager to test it out. How does this box work? Oh gosh, yeah, okay. I see now. Ooh. Right off the bat, we got a little instructional and, oh wow, this is packed really nice. How do you even get into this thing? So to start off, they send out this little thing, which I really like. Tells you how to take care of your cutting boards and stuff. Team Bumblechutes sticker, and then a slightly buzzed sticker. I really like this sticker. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with all of this. I really don't want blue and yellow confetti all over my shop. What is this? All right, first up, Bumblechutes Shop Wax. Great for metal, leather, epoxy, wood, and plastics. Oh, there we go. It's my first time. That's what you're looking at. Smells like Bumblechutes. Made with natural beeswax. I like it, I like it. Okay, so it's just a paste wax basically. Classic woodworkers oil. Looks good. I've heard really, really good stuff about this mix that they have. Don't forget to pop the seals on these guys. Interesting. Sorry, I've heard that Bumblechutes smells just delicious. That's why I'm smelling everything. And yeah, I was getting a very citrusy smell out of this, and it looks like it's made with coconut oil, vitamin E, mineral oil, lemon oil. All their stuff there. So, cool. Bumblechutes all-in-one wood conditioner. Apply a tablespoon of the all-in-one wood conditioner with a dry cloth and rub into the surface until there's an even coat throughout. It is best to allow the conditioner to set overnight, but 20 to 30 minutes of drying time is sufficient. This process should be repeated every 2 to 4 weeks to maintain optimum longevity. Made with coconut oil, beeswax, carnauba wax, vitamin E oil, zinc oxide, and lemon oil. So there is their wood conditioner. Great for butcher blocks, wooden utensils, wooden bowls, garden beds, and much more. And last but not least, I think, yep, a big boy. So this is Bumblechutes all natural wood finish. Caution. If a rag is used to apply the finish, make sure to hang it to dry rather than bundled up and thrown away. It is not 100% clear if tung oil will combust like other oil finishes, but it is better to be safe than sorry. Hang the rag over the garbage until dry. Another option is to soak the rag in water first prior to hanging it to dry. This is cool. This is a tung oil finish, but it says it's just their wood finish. So this I'm actually really interested in. I feel like this will be really good for bowls and stuff like that. Pure tung oil, organic gum rosin, and food grade citrus solvent. Great for furniture, countertops, floors, concrete, stone, and brick. Food safe, eco-friendly, natural waterproofing oil. And that is their just classic Bumblechutes wood finish. So that's kind of nice. I'm excited to try that out. So this is Bumblechutes products. I know that they have a few other products. I just can't think of what they are off the top of my head, and I'm too lazy to look it up. So we're actually gonna test it out right now. I have a wooden bowl that I need to finish, and I think I'm gonna use, I don't know what I'm gonna use to finish it. So here's the bowl. This is a ash bowl that I actually just turned, and I think I'm gonna go with their woodworkers oil on this. It's this oil I can feel is decently thick, creamy, and I kind of like the fact that it's clear and like it's natural colors, right? Like so there's no unnatural coloring in here. The thing I love about food safe finishes and things like that, and just oils like this, is I can use my bare hands and I'm not worried about chemicals or anything like that messing up my hands or getting into my eyes or anything like that. So I love food safe finishes like this. It's very citrusy. I can really smell the lemon oil in this. All right. There's my bowl all done up. It looks super good. I can bring it in closer for you guys. There you go. So my bowl all done up with Bumblechutes woodworkers oil. I really like the sheen so far. We will see. I'll come back and wipe it down in like 20 minutes and then I will show you guys the finish. All right, we're back. I got this all wiped down and it looks really good. This is without any sort of wax or anything. It gives it a really nice finish on there. I definitely think if I put the wax on there, it would look insanely good, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. All in all, 10 out of 10 stars. It's a Bumblechutes is pretty good stuff. If you're thinking about picking it up, it seems like a pretty good product. I can't say 100% because I literally just barely used it. As I test it out more and more, I will inform you guys, but that's more than likely going to be on my Instagram. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, head over there and give me a follow. Also, give Bumblechutes a follow on Instagram. They're very involved in the community, and that's one of the reasons that I want to use their product. But that's it for me, guys. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.